Abusunya eba mo kwa biom e de aba Ghana nsem TV eso edi ameje so ene eye promise. Abusunya insecurity ewo oman nim no eye akosoro abusunya enya asem ketwa. Ye nyina ye wonom na endro achi tie se okopiem ewo western region takwa insuye mu a amanfo bi eye senka omo kidnap school nkola mienu a no so lucky ene Ghana police mebo maba so omo ye adwuma ntentemu a omo make sure so mbe kwa intervene a ama nkofo no entimi an kidnapping nkola no na yenyu abrante bi so de nsama bato jo kire se in the 3 days ekade na ke kidnapping no na ocho mu senda de ne sisi ye de busunya ense woni ensa o ka kire me no ba kwa kutie nsama o de to dwa ne de we story no esi ye na ewi a e ba be kire ade ne busa se country ye wo mu ye Ghana country ni save na because that's Nigeria former be frame mu o man nim no omo ye magana edin papa na ye wo no asai ebusuye mbo ne ko tie nsem a o de to dwa ne ba na ewi a ya be kire adwen e wo no.
Good morning. Let me create some awareness saying we are not safe in Ghana anymore. Well, even though you and I know say police for airborne Mahama, sometimes we will be a na joa. But say mabo bus stop ne barrier or baby or checkpoints near there but sometimes your smartness can't save you. We are no more safe. And the one say na ye could be why I say near saying. But somewhere last week or so, you video be an Nigeria girl be or market kidnapping or moody money some huge amounts be before or be releasing in here. Look, Nigerians are taking over this country. And Ghana for business, we are doing this. Yeah, we are doing it just because sometimes you ain't or money to know. You bet you they bear the Nigerian name and then Omokasani said they are Nigerians. But Ghanaians are also part in these criminal activities. I was meeting a friend at Executive Hotel. The one before Aquinas, and then Osu. It's Miss Bessie or 37 bus stop. Na me yes okay me join ni Trozi. Na me de akọ. Afi na car ni bi emba. Inti no me say me movie. Inti me movie na hu say car bi taxi bi ekọ. Then I saw one woman sitting at the front. Na me page me say bisa so mo ko Osu and the woman was like, "Yeah." Inti me tina car me no pen bisa driver and say, "Eh Then the woman is sitting at the front to me try and no be hwem no obu mani. So I thought sometimes which attacker? When I watch attack, I mean you are the one in control. So I thought maybe the woman wanted to help me out. And I mean yeah. After you call him kaka baby or me fire no. Now they were taking me to a wrong part. So when baby executive no just after lands commission baby a lawyer for and I say we judges sniffy no one. Just after the safety now make no. Then they took me to a wrong part. Let me say no baby I make no. That is not where you guys are. Heading towards BT traffic in Alpha here, and I was like, okay. Then I also realized, no, baby, omo de me call far the Diamond City Hotel. Every amu ho no me ade na me call say no, mama me nsi. Afi na or try say obe move obe running faster. Na me be gate na me to me ho to. Me sorry, no mu me ni na etwa omu ani. Hwe me esre. And say ekwaya akoda a bi o anaso oba omo de ne be call. And I want to say sometimes they do in Brian and say, yeah, not traffic. And I be do bus stop be answer na ki we ho no no na do so. Inti nkofo do mo yani say obaba be gina bus stop won me say bia obe pai be say bia e bia La Paz na obe hu say member 2 and nipa 2 obe ba ko betina front na 2 so atena back seat no mo agya extra seat a slot into no tenema you feel say car passengers so me there you are safe wo mo fa wa no maka so governor ka se bia meslemu traffic o mintin pese me fa hanom no mu ni aka so wanye yate yenko into se nipa me na mensaja to ma wo no ne hwan because of say mu ni mu fi ba bi na ma be sentinu you are safe wo mo do kwa no mu kodu ba bia na daba na pretend say car no before ta ba ho na we si say ti say the obese car no na do mo de be ye no mo de aye o mo be je ho ni oma ana wanye lucky a mo be kidnap o no mo de wako into sometimes say wo fa car Mr. Sanka wo yo bi kura no a opon wa na wo ska say uba na opa na wafa ka me be ka say bia okada but this okada guy is also mu ni abotre oh into no we just have to be very careful out there because the abefe bia no for okada wanye lucky nso a accident to beat me AC and Uber drivers no cramp no mususu midnight you are not safe Yeah, these Uber drivers, midnight, you are not safe. Most of them, they are into these criminal activities. So whoever is watching me this video, someone say, "Come now, I share to a friend. Let's all create an awareness." And I'm reminding you that we are not safe in this country anymore. It is a UPA, and we are very careful. Have a nice day.
Abusuya, what's in some of the tuja? Makase, Ghana, your maya, a sundream mine. Nemo no say, I'm sure you Nigeria from a before mono, at the Ghana, they never say. Recently, I chanced on a video on TikTok. Now, Nigeria for a life. Na life now, Omuyeno, Nini say, they are planning on how Ombetimi say Ghana Dia yo. Tiramekano. Omo Trasi Omoyen Sheye, Kwampasua, a din Ghana ne wono, Ombesa no. So, all life national, they were discussing on how Ombetimi a tran throw to Ghana so say because Nigeria didn't say and Tedini said yeah I was so motivated say Ghana didn't swear then at the count. And when I saw the video I was like, what is happening? And recently kidnapping issues you come up with that yeah will be say kidnap I say cost to my Ghana mu and ube almost 80% our yes are there in Nigeria for. Ye leader samudi enim e wo man Ghana mu yesrem what are you people doing about this thing? What are you people doing about this thing? Because we can't live in a country a foreigner will come into the country and will be doing that is going to hurt yani at your mind no. Look at what almost happened to this guy. Fanisa koyo oba ana ekoye akwale bia ono no nani ncheda MBA ye Nana Jimundwa. What would have happened to the person? Ghana, our immigration service, Mibusao. South foreigners no mobile my name no fire bodies ne de bano. What checks na mo yo so? Then on catch them some Ghana babe. Because I'm very sure say some we hear a lot of checks on those people try to understand the reason why they are coming to this country. Nanka, you better make the Sanyama way no crime. Recently, look at what happened to this Senegalese footballer, goalkeeper ya. Oba Ghana say oba ye kind of saying or when that team be and cover by medical so then they are more. Look at what happened to this guy. Now the Nigerians are in this country doing these things Emma I want if you say a young Ghana for no. And I'm telling you say what is happening in this country currently, and yet it's spoiling our name as a country. So we are begging Ghana Police Service, Ghana Immigration Service, Ghana Customs, say, we know you guys are working, and I know you guys are working, but the level of insecurity in the Yakum way, or in a kidnapping way, I know what in your mind way. Inspector General of Police, Mr. Chris Neteteyono, I know say you are capable of doing the work now. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama appointed was a brabe. But the thing is, say wait my year, Jumana year, and what is name I be saying, Ultimisi and all kind. Because then ama other countries, say Ghana din. A din Ghana ne one. Yan shwe here, you bet na sama Nigeria phobia, a woody phobia, and papani phobia, or more Nigeria no, ever say, oh my Ghana din the amayin. And when it happens that way, it was a hard dream. A hard dream. Because we can't live in a country. Foreigners will decide what happens in the country. We cannot. We cannot. And the Ghana Police Service, yes, Remo, we know say you guys are capable. We know. Say you know your work. And you know some bit my year, Jumano. By your power say, you guys should be on top of your game. You guys should be on top of your game. Now making sure that some of you omunyama no moyeno. Mubeti me are ending. Yes, Remo. Higher Ghana and same TV, dear Majiso, and a promise. That was a young person. Or share ye. Abusuya, Yaya Hum Ghana, Yaya Huan Kasa. Chamestro way. Then I'm NDC for you, no. NDC for you. I don't know. NDC for you. the car sem chira wo say mistake I'll be here so to amend this mistake I'll be here. Breaking news, Ebusuya, Office of the Special Prosecutor, OSP, invites Driver and Vehicle Licensing Authority, DVLA CEO, Julius Nikwe Korte, over his claims he refused a 4 million Ghana cedis bribe to hold digital registration of vehicle policy. Menoka said here, the Office of the Special Prosecutor, OSP, invited Driver and Vehicle Licensing Authority CEO, Julius Nikwe Korte said, the claimer or say, a year bribe of 4 million Ghana cedis or if you see one J. Now you think a man is car or not to be a man bribe 4 million Ghana cedis say a year digitalize the digital registration policy of person or yeno. Nanka on hot and on train no. I want geno. Where speci ombra na ombra be buane yen hwehwemu na onfa adanse ya kire sampa na obi e man sa bribe no. It's so second and said you are my bribe no. Any the oje bribe ni na no. Yen na ne hu say mu nyina no mo kambo mu a mo de katacheche ne proye den eba oman ne mu eno ntino we spesi ombra na ombeboa eye hwehwemu na kire say omo ntimi mfa no kura no ntu ye ne hu sampa sa na ete de na nipa kwa odi sadwuma no emra no ntimi no endi